Alright friends, welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to draw a strawberry, and I'm so excited to get started. Let's grab our trusty pencil. If you want the same one, the link is in the description. And we're going to go ahead and start drawing a circle. That's one circle for the eye and a second circle for the second eye. Then you're going to draw a smaller circle like that for the highlight. Easy peasy. And go ahead and color in the inside of the eye. And be careful not to color in the highlight. There, that is looking good. We've got two eyes and we're going to draw a cute little adorable smile. Then we're going to get started with the leaves. So draw a little smile right there and another little smile right there. And then a rainbow and another rainbow. There, you've got two little leaves. Then you're going to go ahead and draw two little lines like that for the leaves. And we're drawing a little slightly curved line for the stem. And another slightly curved line for the stem. And connect the two lines. Perfect. Then you're drawing a little rainbow this way and a little rainbow that way. And a smile to connect them. Another little smile right there. Perfect. And you guessed it, two little lines in the middle to show that this is a leaf. One more little rainbow this way. One more little rainbow that way. And a little smile this way. And a little smile that way. There. We're almost done the leaves. All that's left is two little lines. Okay, and then we are going to draw a curvy line that goes to the middle of the strawberry and another curvy line on the other side to match. Then, sort of in the middle, you're going to draw a little smile. And then we're going to connect those two lines on one side and on the other side. Easy peasy. And then we're going to go ahead and do the seeds. So the seeds are really up to you. There's no wrong way to do this. You just make little seeds all over your strawberry, wherever you feel like they should go. And of course, we can't forget the two little circles for the cheeks right there. And then keep doing the seeds all around. And seeds are sort of these small oval shapes that go all around the strawberry. A couple more like that. And we are done. I hope that you enjoyed drawing this little cutie with me and that you'll join me for more videos.